Hey there, welcome back to our channel. We're going to talk about something a lot of people are curious about: how to build an expense tracking app. If you want to create your own expense tracking app or financial management tool, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. First, let's look at what sets the expense tracking app apart. People love using expense tracking apps for their easy-to-use, design-smooth expense management and clever features such as receipt scanning and sorting expenses into categories. To make a similar app, you'll need to focus on these key steps: planning, design, development, and launch. Step 1. Planning list. Essential features like receipt scanning and expense sorting. Identify your target users and their needs. Step 2. Design. Create a user-friendly layout. Use sketches and mock-ups to ensure an intuitive design and smooth user flow. Step 3. Development. Choose reliable tools like React Native or Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android. Include key functions and work with skilled developers to ensure a robust app. Step 4. Testing. Test across various devices and systems. Verify that all features, especially receipt scanning, work well and ensure strong security for user data. Get the word out about your app through online marketing, social media, and other channels to draw in users. Keep an eye on feedback and be ready to roll out updates and improvements based on what users need. That's all about how to build an expense tracking app. When you plan to design well, develop and test, you'll be on track to launch your app. Need expert help with your app development? categorizes offers top-notch solutions to bring your ideas to life. Contact us today. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get more app development tips. Thanks for watching.